Hey everybody, I'm standing here on Errol Road in Sarnia, right across from Sarnia Golf and Curling Club, which you probably can't see very well here, but we're right across from our newest listing here on Errol Road, which is a duplex. And if you've ever thought about investing in real estate, but maybe you haven't been sure, you're a little bit hesitant, you really don't want to make that leap, this is a great property for you. Completely separate utilities, all updated. The roof, the windows, the furnace, all the bits and bytes have been done. Everything's done. This is as easy and as hands-off and as carefree as it can get for investment properties. And it's in a great location here on Errol Road, close to Cantera Park, close walking distance to Cantera Beach, or down to the bridges in Point Edward. Can't keep my train of thought here, but if you're thinking about investing in real estate, you've been on the fence, you're not quite sure, and you want to maybe jump in, this is a great one to take a look at. So reach out to me and we can get you some more information and maybe make you an investor.